Are you looking for Korean skincare products? I'm Dermatologist Dr. Leslie Baumann, and two of my favorite skincare brands that you can buy here in the United States that come from South Korea are Mediture and another one called Zerafite. And they both have very similar barrier repair technology that is superior to anything you can get in the United States because it has what's called a Maltese cross pattern. If you look at the link in the description, you can learn more about what the Maltese cross pattern is, but it's a way to know if moisturizers are superior or not. These two skincare brands are very different. Zerafite is made for dry skin. Mediture is made for oily, dry, and sensitive skin. They both are wonderful. I use them in many of my patients, so you don't have to go all the way to Seoul if you want to get good Korean skincare. But if you do go to Seoul, check out their duty free. It's so cool shopping there. You can see video here of me shopping duty free. Come to skintechsolutions.com to learn more skincare tricks and tips from me and other dermatologists.